So let me show you how to set up call forwarding on your OnePlus 15. So first thing you want to do is go to the phone app, and then in the phone app with the dialer on, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. Under settings, you want to go to operator related settings, tap on that, and then that's where you'll find call forwarding. So if you have a dual SIM setup, it's going to let you choose which SIM card you want to set up call forwarding for. I'm going to choose that one. And then now it's currently reading the settings. And basically what you need to do from here is to set up call forwarding, to choose how you want to forward your calls. Do you want to forward all your calls, or only forward your calls when you're busy, or when your phone is unanswered, or when you're unreachable? So choose how you want to forward your calls. So for instance, if I want to forward when unanswered, I'll select that and then choose a phone number I want to forward this to, and then tap OK. Now, depending on your carrier, you may or may not accept some settings. This is basically carrier related. So that is basically how to set up call forwarding. You can see I've already set up this to this number when this phone is unreachable. So that is how you set it up. Thanks for watching and good luck.